let's look at this. What is it saying? If this express y in terms of x, you say, oh, what is this? What is this guy doing here? I'm not used to this type of question. I only know about equal to. Don't worry. They are all the same. Don't panic. Just maintain the line. Okay? Don't let this confuse you. Another thing. Express y in terms of x. What is that telling you? It means that we should look for y. That is, only y should be alone on the left-hand side. That's our target. Now, let's go. This, I will leave like this. I'm not going to touch. I'm going to that side. If there is a need to come here, I will come back here. But for now, the work that we have is on this other side. So let's concentrate here. I want to ask you, in terms of this, what is this? What can we do to bring log to the base of 10? Because I am seeing log to the base of 10 here, that is log y. What I'm saying now, I want this and this to be the same, but I don't have it here. How do I manipulate this to arrive here? Now, let's do it. 2. You agree with me? Do you agree with me? If we do this, it's equals to what? It's equals to 1, right? 10, 10. It's equals to 1. If this is equals to 1, and I'm looking for 2, 2 multiplied by 1 will still give me 2. That means if I multiply this 2 by 1, I will not change anything. Okay? It means, therefore, I can do this by saying this one is 2 multiplied by 1, which is equal to 2, this 2, multiplied by this one, which is this. That is log 10 to the base of 10. That is to say, this now will give me 2. You agree? So I can move this now to this place. Therefore, I now have base 10. Therefore, I will come here now to say this is, okay? With this and this now, I can take one of them because of this plus. I say this multiplied by this. Sorry, this is not equal to. Less than or equal to. Now, this is what? This is 100. 100 multiplied by y is 100y. This one still remains. This one still remains. As you can see, this base and this base are the same. It means, therefore, we can remove them and put this one. Therefore, we can say this. We are looking for y, so y should be alone. So what we need to do now to have y to remain alone is to remove this 100. How do you remove 100 from here? By dividing by 100. Because you divide this side by 100, you must also divide this side by 100. So we have now, this is the answer, or you can do like this. Make sure that this side is facing y. That is the greater direction. Then we can put this one on the other side if you want to arrange it like this, okay? So this is the answer. Hope this is clear. If you have any question, do not hesitate to ask. Please like, subscribe, follow, share this video, and so on and so forth.